Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pardeeplabview. Let's try a new tutorial about login project. Okay, this is very interesting because in this project we read username and password from our Excel sheet. Okay, like I'm show my Excel sheet. I created Excel sheet. Like open this and the name is password. Okay, in the password I'm enter here some things like first I've deleted this one. Okay, and I'm enter here like a username, that is Pardeeplabview. Okay, this is our username, and second one I am entering password is like 9416521, like this. Okay, and I'm delete this one. Okay, this is our username and this is our password. Okay, and I'm entering username username, and this is our password for password. Okay, okay, let's bold this. Okay, username and password. Okay, now we read the data. This is username and password. Okay, these two data, or we can say two row. Okay, now enter this and click to save only. Okay, and close your Excel sheet. Okay, now uh, let's start to create a project. Okay, and let's start first. Right click here, come to file and read Excel sheet. Okay. Okay, control E. Okay, first of all, what you do, right click here and let's come to silver and silver string and string indicator, like this. Okay, enter your username. This is password. Okay, username and password. Yes. Now first we need to give a file path. Right click and come to file and zip file constant and application directory. Okay. Okay, first of all save your project. Okay, after let's run this logic. Okay, because this application save in your this directory where you save this your vi. Again right click, come to file path and build path, same, connect to this terminal. Okay, and this output connect to this terminal. Let's clean up the diagram. Yes. Now let's change the format into string. Okay, and yes, and this is transpose. Right click and create a constant, create a constant, enter comma. Yes, now this is all row. Now we need to indexing. Right click, to structure and create a for loop. Okay, and you see they have all row. Right click and connect to this terminal. Right click, come to array and let's index array. Okay, help with this we read about every like we can say row. Okay, connect and let's I have a two row. Okay, first is username, second for our password. Okay, and then what do you do, increase the size. This is username and this is your password, and you need to directly connect to your username, directly connect to your password, like this. Yes, username and password. Okay, all done. The most important thing, you need to transpose. Okay, this is by default false, because if this is false then it's read as like a one row and every columns. Okay, but we need to one row and second row. That's why you need to right click and create a constant and enter true. Okay, this is very important step, otherwise you not read password. Okay, only you can read only on username. Okay, now all done. Let's okay, now you need to give name or relative path. Right click, create constant, enter the same file path, and in my case the file name is password. Then enter PASSWORD.CSV format. PASSWORD.CSV format, like this. Yes, now done. uh, let's modify. Okay, this is username and this is password. Okay, now what do we do? First let's check it's working or not. Yes, username and password. Okay, okay, but remember, you see, it's read different, like column 2. Okay, come to file path, password. uh, okay, and let's delete this one, same delete this one. Okay, okay, now save Excel, close, minimize. Okay, now on this, control E, let's click to run, and you see Pardeeplabview and password. Okay, all done. But right now we don't need to this one, because it's only for verify our this logic it's working or not. Okay, now what do you do? First I delete this two, not a delete, I remove this wire, and yes. Okay, now the very important for okay, okay, now what do you do? Right click, come to structure, and create a while loop. Okay, let's create a while loop. Yes, now right click here, come to structure, and create a event structure. Okay, event structure. Okay, now this is your username password. Right now click, and let's select to this terminal. Okay, same like this element, like this. Okay, now what do you do? Let's, this is our username and password, and right, control E, right click, and come to boolean or silver, and boolean, check the uh, okay button. Okay, login. Login. Okay, and label. Yes, this is your login switch. Okay, username and password. Let's increase the size. Okay. Now this is our switch. Right click, and come to add events to case, and click to OK, and click to OK. Okay, and move OK button to your event case. Yes, now this is username password, and we need to comparison here. Let's increase. Okay, now right click, come to comparison, and we need to select this one. Okay, this is your on button. Okay, now what do you do? Okay, now right click, come to comparison, and let's equal comparison equal same, drag to terminals. Okay, and yes, now this is xy, same xy. Okay, now you see this is your username, and this is we can see username. Now click to this and connect to this. This is your username. Username, right click, and create a control. Okay, otherwise what you do? Yes. Now right click and create like change to control. Okay, this is username, drag here, connect to this terminal. Okay, this is username, same, this is password, drag and connect to this terminal. Okay, and this is your password, then connect to this terminal. Okay, let's modify. Yes, now we need to create comparison. Come to boolean, let's click to AND gate. Okay, if both are true, like this condition true and this condition true, means username true and password true, then it's turn on your status. Okay, what's the problem? This is boolean and this is boolean, but why not connected? Okay, now what you do, right click and come to terminal mode, last value, same last value. Yes, now close this and let's connect to this terminal. Yes. Okay, now if this condition or your username password is correct, then give the message, right click and create a constant, sorry, come to string constant, and I'm enter here control E, same this message. Okay, happy Independence Day to all. Okay, let's small this size. Now connect this terminal. Okay, and let's copy again, and I'm enter different. I'm enter password. Let's increase the size. Sorry, login again. Okay, now let's connect to this terminal. Yes, now right click here, come to dialog, and let's choose one dialog function and click to this message. Okay, and this is okay button. Okay, and this is a true condition. Okay, if you need to turn off your project, now what do you do? Sorry, you need to connect this terminal and directly connect to this one. Okay, now all done. Let's try to run. Control E. Yes, the most important function is username. Right click and create invoke not, and you see reinitialize to default in the starting. Okay, same this password, create create invoke node and reference, because in the by default we need to clear all controls, username and password. Okay, now control E. Okay, now all done. Let's click to run, and you see right now it's empty. Okay, and the username is maybe Pardeep and LabVIEW. I don't know, let's check it. Okay, first let's enter any like 12345. Okay, I'm click to login, and you see sorry login again. Okay, now let's check our password and username. And our username is Pardeeplabview. Okay, and the password is 9416521. 9416521. Okay, Pardeeplabview. Let's click to, oh sorry, first let's run and again enter Pardeep LabVIEW, and the password is 9416521. Let's click login, and you see happy Independence Day to all. And thank you so much guys, and please remember this is the login project part 1. In the next tutorial and the part 2 we create a different logic, or we can say how to change password. Okay, like if someone is need to change password, then how we can do this. Okay, this is the part 1 of login project, and the part 2 we are creating some other logics that how we can change the username or a password. Okay guys, thank you so much guys, and happy Independence Day to all. And please, if you like this video, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.